In this question, you have to identify the correctly matched pair. Option A, Methanobacterium is to lactic acid. It is incorrect because Methanobacterium produces methane gas and not lactic acid. Lactic acid is produced by lactobacillus. Option B, Penicillium notatum is to acetic acid. It is also incorrect because Penicillium notatum produces antibiotic penicillin and acetic acid is produced by bacteria like Acetobacter aceti. Option C, Saccharomyces cerevisiae is to ethanol. Now, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, also known as brewer's yeast, is used in fermentation processes and it produces ethanol and carbon dioxide. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, Acetobacter aceti is to antibiotics. It is also incorrect. As already stated, Acetobacter aceti is involved in the production of acetic acid and not antibiotics.